wedges and fries. Oh, man, look at this two-piece. Look at this, him. Look how big. Man, I should go throw this shit back in there. Look at the drumstick. Wait, these are tenders. I did not even order tenders.
Wow.
I didn't order tenders. It's fine. I'm gonna eat it, but I did not fucking order tenders. I tell you one thing, these fries are really good. These are probably some of the best fries I had besides Checkers and Long John Silver or Captain D's. These are some good fries. But I hate that they gave me tenders. I wanted the chicken with the bone in. Maybe that number 2 was tenders and I didn't realize it, but I don't know. My KFC darlings. Y'all want some?
Yeah.
Too bad. Oh. Go eat oodles and noodles and a corn dog.